Welcome to my class Introduction. Class Standard 10, Subject Mathematics, Chapter name Algebraic Ratio and Proportion. Exercise 11.1, Lecture 2. Today's lesson, to solve the problems. Example 6. If square root over 1 plus x plus square root over 1 minus x divided by square root over 1 plus x minus square root over 1 minus x, this equal to p, prove that p square minus 2p by x plus 1, this equal to 0. Solution, this is a given condition. Or numerator minus denominator, plus here numerator this, that's mean this part, and denominator this, that's mean numerator plus denominator, again numerator minus denominator. Here also this is a numerator and denominator is here 1, so numerator plus 1 divided by numerator minus 1, this is a componendo dividendo. We know this relation. Okay, now this and this cut here, this and this cut, right side same, so left side will be 2 into square root over 1 plus x divided by 2 into square root over 1 minus x, right side same. Now 2 cut will get square root over 1 plus x divided by square root over 1 minus x, and right side same. Now squaring on both sides, as a result left side will be only 1 plus x by 1 minus x, and here will be p plus k 1 whole square divided by p minus 1 whole square. Now the formula a plus b whole square, that's mean a square mean p square plus 2ab mean 2 into p into 1, that's mean 2p plus 1 divided by p square minus 2p plus 1. Clear everyone? Again componendo dividendo, that's mean numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Here also same, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Okay, now x cut, here 1 cut, so left side will be 2 divided by 2x, and right side 2p cut, so here will be 2p square plus 2, that's mean 2 into p square plus 1, and denominator will be 4pa, because p square cut, 1 cut, as a result here will be 4p. Now this 2 and this 2 cut, and here 2 and 4 cut will be here 2, that's mean here will be 1 divided by x, and here will be p square plus 1 divided by 2p. Now we can take, that's mean cross multiplication, also p square plus 1 into x, this equal to 2p. Therefore p square plus 1, this equal to 2p by x. Here this line solve directly. Okay, you can use another line, no problem. And finally we'll get p square minus this, convert into left side, plus 1, this is a equal to 0. Hence proved. Very easy math, just calculation. Okay, and you have to know a relation componendo dividendo. Okay, like this math, that's mean like before math, this number and this number, same process, just you have to calculate. Here cubic root, that's mean you have to cube on both sides. Okay, and others part all will be same. You have to componendo dividendo and calculate, you'll get the result. Clear everyone? Okay. Example 7. if a cube plus b cube divided by a minus b plus c, this is equal to a into a plus b. Prove that a, b, c are in continued proportion. Continued proportion means if the subsequent of first ratio this equal to antecedent of second ratio are equal, that's mean a is to b, this equal to b is to c. That's mean subsequent of first ratio b and subsequent antecedent of second ratio this also equal to b. That's mean this and b equal. Okay, that's mean a is to b, this equal to b is to c, or 1 is to 2, this equal to 2 is to 3, or 1 is to 5, this equal to 5 is to 3. That's mean second element of first ratio and first element of second ratio are equal. Or we can this also write a is to b, this equal to b is to c, mean a by b this equal to b by c. Now by multiplying we'll get b square this equal to ac. That's mean if we'll get b square this equal to ac, then we can also say a, b, c are continued proportion. I have explained in my first lecture. Clear? Again I explain. Now follow the solution. This is a given condition. Now making formula a cube plus b cube, this equal to, you can write a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and denominator will be same, right side also same. Now a plus b and here a plus b same, so divide on both sides by a plus b, will get a square minus ab plus b square by a minus b plus c equal to a. Now cross multiplying a square minus ab plus b square, this equal to a square minus ab plus ac. Now ab cut, a square cut, will get b square equal to ac. Clear? That's mean a is to b, this equal to b is to c. So a, b, c are in continued proportion. Clear everyone? Okay. Follow this, we can solve exercise 11.1 13 number question. Same, just you have to calculate. Okay. Example 8. If a plus b by b plus c, this equal to c plus d by d plus a, prove that c equal to a, or a plus b plus c plus d, this equal to 0. Okay. Given that this a plus b by b plus c, this equal to c plus d by d plus a, now subtracting 1 from each side. As a result, left side will be this and right side will be this. Now LCM, or subtracting 1 from this, will get here LCM b plus c. So here will be a plus b minus c. We know this. Here also d plus a is a LCM. So here will be c plus d minus a minus, sorry, minus d minus a. Here d cut, here b cut. As a result, here will be a minus c by b plus c, and here will be c minus a by d plus a. Now as here is a minus c, so we can convert c minus a into a minus c, but we have to take common minus. As a result, here will be minus and here will be a minus c. Okay, as this is a minus, so this convert into left side, here will be plus. Now taking common a minus c, as a result, here will be 1 by b plus c plus 1 by d plus a, and here LCM will be b plus c into d plus a. Now follow next. That's mean a minus c fixed, and after adding this, we'll get d plus a plus b plus c. Okay, now this convert into right side, we'll get only left side will be a minus c into d plus a plus b plus c, this equal to 0. So either a minus c this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. As a result, a equal to c or this equal to 0. Hence proof is complete. Follow this assessment, we can solve this number. Okay, everyone, that are very easy. Just you have to calculate. Okay, 40 number, if x by b plus c equal to y by c plus a equal to z by a plus b, prove that this equal to this equal to this. If the given condition is of the form like this, we have to let this equal to a constant. Follow solution. This equal to constant k. Now x divided by b plus c, this equal to k. Also y plus c plus a, this equal to k, and also z divided by a plus b, this equal to k, because all the ratio are equal to k. So we can write x is equal to k into b plus c, y equal to k into c plus a, z is equal to k into a plus b. Now first ratio is this, that's mean a by y plus z minus x. Now putting the value of y, z, x, will get this. Now taking common k, will get this here, b cut, c cut, will be a by 2a k, a cut, this equal to 1 by 2k. Similarly, second ratio, this equal to, we can write 2 divided by 1 divided by 2k, and third ratio, this equal to, we can write 1 divided by 2k. Since each of the ratios, this is equal to 1 by 2k. So this ratio equal to this ratio equal to this ratio. Proof is complete. Clear, everyone? Okay, now example 10. This is a given condition. If ax equal to b, y equal to cz, show that this equal to this. Okay, so solution, we have to let this equal to k, because given condition is of the form this. As a result, from here we can write ax this equal to k, by this equal to k, cz this equal to k. So x is equal to k by a, y is equal to k by b, and z equal to c by k by c. Now putting the value of x, y, z in left side of this given condition, or we have to prove this. So left side will be here x square by yz plus y square by zx plus z square by xy. So this equal to, you can write k square by a square, as here is x square, but x is equal to k by a. And yz mean k square divided by bc, as this is in the form division. So that will be, when we'll use here into, numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. That's bc by k square. Similarly others part, and this also this. Now k square cut. So here will be a bc by, that's mean bc by a square plus ca by b square plus ab by c square. Now that's mean this equal to this. Proof is complete. Very easy math. Okay, follow this. We can solve 19 number math in your book. Very easy. Okay, that's 20 number math. This is a given condition, that's mean p by q this equal to a square by b square, and a by b this equal to square root over a plus q by square root over a minus q. So that's this equal to this. Okay, at first given condition, this by component or dividend, that's mean p plus q divided by p minus q, and right side will be a square plus b square by a square minus b square. Just in right arranging here, a square plus b square by a square minus b square, this is equal to p plus q by p minus q. This is equation number 1. Another given condition, a by b this is equal to square root over a plus q by a minus square root over a minus q. Now squaring on both sides, this is another given condition. We'll get a square by b square, this is equal to a plus q by a minus q. Again by component or dividend. So left side will be a square plus b square by a square minus b square, and right side will be a plus q plus a minus q by a plus q minus a minus minus plus will be here plus q. Now q cut, that's mean 2a by 2q, and here we'll get this equal to a by q. This is equation number 2 from 1 and 2. As left side a square plus b square by a square minus b square, here also a square plus b square by a square minus b square. So right side and right side will be equal. That's mean this equal to this. Now alternando, we can take a into here and this into here. As a result, we'll get the required proof. Okay. So students, you have to solve exercise 11.1, 11 up to 20 left all, and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 24/1/2021, time 9 p.m. So to this, thank you to all everyone. Goodbye.